Hello and how are you? In this tutorial, we will learn how to check our Python version. So, first of all, we need to open command prompt or CMD. So, I will open it with Windows and run. Type CMD and click OK. It will open my command prompt because I'm using Windows 7, so it is a PowerShell. But if you are on Windows 10 or 9 or 8 or 7, it will open just the CMD. The, but this doesn't have a CMD. Then we will just type here Python, just this. You can see little, so little this. And this is the line where you will find the version, and my version that I am using is Python 3.11.0, and it was I think it was launched on October 24, 2022, or the last update on it, and other things we don't need. So it will show just the version of Python just here. Okay, and this is how you can. As you can see, little it changed, so you can now clean like you can code the Python that you want here. For example, I want to print, for example, subscribe subscribe to me. Subscribe to beta folder, for example, and little. So just like this, just there's an error, a Python error, so I will just fix it. All of us make mistakes, even Pythonians, if they didn't see other code. So subscribe to beta coder. I will add a little printing, and you can you can do all of the things here, like you are in a Python mode, and you have the version up right here. Okay, and this is the video. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, please hit the subscribe button and the like button to know that you like this video, and keep up with these tutorials on the channel.